Do you know I made money just by watching ads? I mean, on this platform, what I did was, after I signed myself, I got paid $50 for every 5 minutes of watching advertisements. I managed to make $100 within a span of 10 minutes. Wow, right? But before I tell you this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you different ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for new videos like this in the future. Now let me tell you something. I have tried this platform, and you know what? I always say, yes, it worked like a charm. I mean, isn't it amazing to see your PayPal account credited with $100 in no time? And sometimes we're in dire need of cash. This here makes us around $50 for 5 minutes videos just by watching ads. All you have to do is watch these advertisements and make easy money. This is my secret to earning quick and easy money online. By merely clicking and watching advertisements, you can earn ranging from $15 to $150 on this website. Anyone from anywhere around the globe can make money using this method by just clicking different advertisements. This is legitimate and scam free, and you have my word for it because I have used this platform to make money online for myself. Just watch this video and take the step-by-step process that I will show you on this video, and you can even end up making thousands of dollars. So pay close attention. I have the link under the description. And on this platform, you can make money by playing games, completing different offers, referring this to friends, engaging in different surveys or contests, and other activities. But this video solely focuses on visiting websites and clicking on different advertisements. This platform has around 40,000 users, and they are incredibly open about all their profits. You can view profits on the daily or weekly basis. Plus, they show names of anyone who has taken a withdrawal in the previous 25 days. They have a variety of payment methods. You can choose between Paytm, Skrill, bank transfers, or even cryptocurrency. The new way of earning. They are available worldwide. So if you're from any part of the world, this website will pay you. You will need to sign up. So go ahead and click on the link given under the description below. Next, register yourself with your details such as your valid email address, your full name, your birth date, add a username of your choice, and set up a password. Agree to the terms and conditions and click under I am not a robot and register yourself. Of course, you're not a robot. Once you register and log in, the first thing you will see is the leaderboard showing various individuals from different parts of the world making hundreds of dollars using this platform. Hey, maybe you'll find my name on this as well. Right, so now you have to go into your account where you will see a variety of ads to click on, with the banners displaying the most popular advertisements. When we get to the right section, all these banner ads will be there for you to click on and earn money repeatedly. You can do this using your laptop or desktop computer or even your mobile phone or tablets as well. So any device. Earn by clicking any of the ad banners. Once you click, it will take you to a random site where you will need to remain there for a period of time, like 30 seconds. Don't worry, you will not need to click any buttons or register yourself on those websites or even make any sort of purchases. Just simply remain there and browse that website. Now this is important. Remember, if you won't browse, you won't get paid. Just browse, look around. No need to do anything else. No need to click on anything. No need to register yourself or buy anything. Because if you don't browse around or look around, they will assume you are a robot and won't pay anything. Like I said, we clicked on I'm not a robot, so make sure you don't act like one either. Once you're done with one banner, go to the next one and keep repeating the process. So, in summary, all you have to do is go onto the link that I've mentioned on the description below and head over to the platform. Once you've signed up using your email address and your valid details such as your name, your birth date, and anything that you can provide, head over to the account section, and there you have to go click on the banners to earn. Once you click on the advertisement banner, they'll open a website. So what you will need to do, browse through the website and look around. Make sure not to stick to one place on the website, because hey, they won't pay you if they think you are a robot. We've already told them we're not robots. But you don't have to act like one either. Wasn't that easy? Easy money browsing through different banner ads and making money. I mean, isn't this what we do on our free time? Just browse around. Easy money, right? Here's an additional idea. Go ahead and complete the 5 daily fixed ads and watch them for 10 seconds. That'll make you some extra cash. After 5 daily fixed ads, you will unlock standard ads. The more you watch ads, the more you browse through the websites, the more you get the chances of earning around $100 or even $1,000 a day. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and comment below as well. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos such as this in the future. This is it for Money Heist, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.